I believe you guys would agree with me that this is definitely a space that the family would create some great memories together. What is going on, beautiful people? It's your real estate go-to, Diante, here as always in Clermont, Florida. And yes, guys, we're in another beautiful model home, okay? And check this one out. 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2-car garage, plus $20,000 towards your closing costs. Definitely a home that you and your family would consider. As you guys take a look at this amazing video, you guys let me know what you guys think, okay? Let's do it. So there you guys have it. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. And listen, my contact information is going to be right here for you to reach out to me to set up that private tour or simply just get the process started because you're convinced this is perfect for you and your family, okay? So looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, never forget, keep it in your brain, okay? In real estate, there are only two people that can get you exactly what you want, okay? That's D and you. Talk to you guys soon. Peace.